The SoDrop Pro Active Noise Cancelling Headphones by Ghostek. So I want to give them a special shout out for sending these over for review. So let's dive right in. Picture of the product, front and center. On this side of the box, SoDrop Pro, Ghostek, Soul Drop Down to Earth. The package contents, number one, obviously the headphones. You get a 3.5 millimeter aux cable, micro USB charging cable, and a leather carrying pouch. Specifications, I'm gonna try to zoom in here. Pause the video if you want to read that. Open this and hashtag live wirelessly. Pretty cool. And more information again of the product. HD crystal clear sound, Bluetooth obviously. Connect up to 2 devices. Pretty cool. And right here, again, more info. Tells you where everything's at. There you go. And so I should be able to, and let's go. And box is empty, put that to the side. And this is the item itself. Nice and soft leather. Oh man, this is cool. Nice and soft cups. Put that to the side. Let's see what else do we get in here. This is the leather pouch. Ooh, man, nice and soft leather here. Ghostek branding front and center. On the back also says the same thing, Ghostek. Let me smell this real fast. Ah, yes, fresh leather. And on the inside, you have a red interior in this bag, so you can easily see the content. In this little baggie here, what do we get? This is your adapter here, and charging cable, and this is your aux cable. Nice soft cups. There you go. And you also have a soft material here. Pretty cool. Should rest comfortably on your head. And on top here is also leather. Ghostek branding here on top. Nice and soft leather everywhere. And on the inside of the cups, you do have the Ghostek logo on the inside. I don't know if you can see that. There you go, see that? And same thing on the other one. I'm assuming, yep, there you go. You can adjust this, obviously. Just pull this down. There you go. This is your volume up and down, settings, etc. Press it. There you go, SoDrop on. I don't know if you heard that. It just spoke, and you have your little LED here, so you can see. And this is the port for the charging. Let me see if I can get my fingernail in here. And there you go. It's where you charge the item. This is where you plug in your aux cable. You have SoDrop branding on this part of the cup, so you can see this is a button. Don't really know what that does. We'll figure it out on the fly. Read the box real quick. This one, ANC Active Noise Cancelling. That's what that is. So let's go ahead and pair this. Pairing device, as you heard. So I'm gonna go ahead and just click on this, and it should be pairing. Right. SoDrop connected. Cool, we are connected. So let's go ahead and test out some music. I listen to a lot of fast music, a lot of house, trance, and all that. So I'm gonna go into my tune in. Let's check out Techno Lovers and jack up the volume. So you can see very loud. Woo! Okay, put it next to the mic. Okay, I'm gonna turn it down. Okay, so I didn't even put this in my ear yet, and as you heard, really, really loud. Also, before I put this on, I'm not an audiophile or anything, but generally speaking, I do like nice, clear, crisp sound, so I can appreciate a good set of headphones. But again, I'm not an audiophile or anything to that extent. So, but anyway, go ahead and put these on and take a listen. On my ears. And let's play. Nice. Very nice and balanced sound. Not too bassy. The highs aren't too high either. Pretty cool. So let's go ahead and test something else. So let's check out some hip hop. Got some classic hip hop here. Very loud. Put it next to the mic. All right, so now I'm gonna put this on. Woo! So again, like on the techno music, puts out a very nice and even sound pretty much. The bass is not too bassy, highs aren't too high. I'd say this is a nice and balanced sound all throughout the sound spectrum. Not too heavy, not too high either, nice and balanced. Now again, I'm not an audiophile, but from listening to these right now, that's what they sound like to me. So overall, pretty cool. Now, let me put this on again. Nice and comfortable on my head. And let's see, let me adjust the cups. All right, so I just did some adjustment to so it'll fit my head a little bit better. There you go, a little bit of a tighter fit. There you go, moving my head around, and this thing ain't gonna fly anywhere. Well, if you do it hard enough, it might, but there we go. Yeah, nice and tight fit. Now, if you wanna go old school and don't wanna use Bluetooth, and you wanna go wired, you can do that also with these headphones. So I'm gonna use the V30 since this one has the high quality DAC. Grab my cable, here we go, cool. And this is the length of the cable, all right? Reasonable length. And let's plug this in, the headphones, right there. The headphones turn off automatically if it detects an input on the aux, and put this into the V30. So let's go ahead and tune in on this one. And let's see. Hi-Fi quad DAC is on, as you can see. So let's jack up the volume on this one. There you go. Put it on real quick. Now they sound pretty good, but I gotta say that not as loud as Bluetooth. Even with the LG V30's high quad DAC, go over to techno. See how this sounds like. There you go, you can hear that? Much louder, maybe it's the source. It's not as loud. Put this one on. Whew, that's very loud actually. Okay, I take that back. So maybe it was just the source, I was a little quiet. On this one, wired house music sounds very loud. Matter of fact, I'm gonna turn it down just a little bit. I'm gonna take a listen real fast. Yeah, sounds pretty good also. I say they're about the same between Bluetooth and wired. Either way, you want to connect, sound pretty good. So I did some testing off camera, messed around with these headphones a little bit. And what I found out is the LG V30, now this one has a high quality DAC, sounds a little bit better than the wired connection of the S9 Plus. Now again, I'm not an audiophile, so if you want, take this with a grain of salt. So these are the SoDrop Pros from Ghostek. Once again, a special shout out to them for sending this over to me to take a look at. If you're interested, I'll go ahead and put a link in the description down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.